Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. In order to find your contact list, tap on this three bars icon and tap on contacts. And here we've got our list. So just localize the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. And I think all of my contacts are customized. So maybe this one. Now we need to tap on this edit icon and tap on add picture. So here we've been transferred to the section from which we can choose the photo from. We can enter our own gallery, or we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos are backed up photos, so basically the same as in the gallery. The monogram, so we can use one or two letters, it's up to you. You can change the background color, you can change the font. Instead of using the monogram, you can also use emoji. So just tap on this option here and you can find something in this list. So just tap on it and it will be immediately applied. Again, you can change the background color, and you can also change or set it to the monochromatic option, so it will be more icon-like style. And here we've got the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of this person, you don't feel like using monogram, you can try to find something that resembles you of this person and set it as the contact photo. So let me choose this bear, for example. Here we've got the preset, so we can change the colors of the bear, in my case the background, etc. But if you want to, you can also customize it just by tapping on this option. And as you can see, we can really change the different parts of the icon or the illustration. We can change the color of flowers. We can change also the color of the bear. So this is how it works. You can really customize it. Here, by tapping on this option, you can zoom in or out the photo, you can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.